How to add a clickable link to Instagram bio. Hi everyone, it is GuideHacks, and in this video I will show you how to add a clickable link to Instagram bio. Now let's get started. First we need to open our Instagram app. Then we need to open our profile just by clicking on the profile icon at the right bottom. Now we should find option Edit Profile and click on it. In appearing menu we need to click on Links. Then we should choose option Add External Link. Now you can type or paste your link to this field. I will paste. After that just tap on Done at the top right corner. And now we can go back. And now you can see your link on your Instagram profile. And that's all. It was how to add a clickable link to Instagram bio. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we would appreciate if you subscribe to our GuideHacks channel.